So this is example 3 on solving system of equations by elimination. This problem's a little different because you can see there's nothing I can multiply 3 by to make it -4 so I can add them. And there's nothing I can multiply -2 by so that I get 7. That way I can add these and eliminate a variable. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to multiply the entire top by a number and the entire bottom by a number. Now I'm going to multiply the whole top by 3, and 3 times 4x will be 12x. Well, if I want this 3x to be -12, I need to multiply the entire bottom by -4. Okay? So now let's multiply these out. When I multiply the 3 times the whole entire top, when I take this 3 and multiply it by everything on top, I'm going to get 12x minus 21y equals -15. And that was the result when I multiplied the entire top times 3. Now bottom, I'm going to multiply everything by -4, so I have -12x. And -4 times -2y is positive 8y. And -4 times -7 equals positive 28. Now if you look, if I want to do elimination, I can now add up 12x and -12x, and they eliminate the x, don't they? Because that'll give me 0x. Now -21 plus 8y is negative what? 13y. And 28 plus -15 is 13. And so I'll divide by -13 on both sides. And so y equals what? -1. So now I know what y is, and I can take my y equals -1, and I can plug it into the top y, or the bottom y, or I could plug it in for this y over here, or this y over here. Notice if you plug it in any of the 4 equations, you're going to get the same output on all 4 of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into this equation for no particular reason, just because I feel like it. So I've got 3x minus 2 times, and what is y? -1. It's not 1, it's -1. Equals -7. So I've got 3x, and -2 times -1 is positive 2 equals -7. I'll subtract 2 on both sides. So I have 3x equals -9. Divide 3 on both sides, so x equals -3. So now you know that x is -3 and y is -1. So the ordered pair solution would be -3, -1. And what we're saying is, we're saying that if we were to graph both this top equation and then also graph this bottom equation, they would intersect at the point -3, -1.